While stumping on the campaign trail for President Donald Trump, Kimberly Guilfoyle and fiancé Donald Trump Jr. have been under the spotlight over rumors about the true nature of their relationship. As a couple that's been engaged since 2020, but with no marriage in sight, it's been easy for the public to find flaws in their partnership. The rumor mill really started turning in September 2024, when Don Jr. was allegedly spotted at a restaurant kissing model and socialite Bettina Anderson, according to the Daily Mail. Since then, Kimberly has been posting cringeworthy public displays of affection and awkward vacation photos in an apparent attempt to prove that she and Don Jr. are still solid.
Please welcome President-elect Donald J. Trump.
However, when Donald Trump took the stage to accept his win on election night, it seems our suspicions were confirmed regarding Kim and DJ TJ being on the outs. On election night, the entire Trump clan was seen filing on stage in West Palm Beach, but Don Jr. appeared to be avoiding Kimberly. In fact, he kept moving away from her, keeping his distance. With her head hung low and a somber look on her face, Kimberly shuffled aimlessly next to Don Jr., who couldn't be bothered to face her. Especially when compared to happy couple Eric Trump and his wife Laura standing nearby, it's clear there's trouble on the horizon for Don Jr. and Kimberly. This is not the first time Don Jr.'s body language has been unforgiving around his fiancée. There's been a history of the duo stiffly standing side by side in photos that are supposed to prove their affection for one another. In an Instagram post from a Patriot State Freedom Fest event in Kentucky in September 2024 that was clearly meant to highlight the PDA between the couple, one photo showed Guilfoyle standing next to Don Jr. while he stood awkwardly with his arms by his side. Now that the election is over and Donald Trump is set to return to the White House, we might finally get to see if Don Jr. will actually break up with Kimberly, or if he'll continue to fuel cheating rumors until she breaks up with him. It feels like she's been kept around mostly to help promote the Trump campaign, even though Kimberly had a track record of being a bit embarrassing about it.
The best is yet to come!
For now, it seems that Kimberly wants to stand by her man, even if he doesn't want to face her. Should the couple finally break up, we can't wait to see what sort of revenge dress Kimberly will wear. It's sure to be one for the ages.